Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Face ID is already set up in your device settings so Instagram can use it. Once done, make sure Instagram is updated. App updates unlock biometric support. Open Instagram and sign in. The app will prompt Face ID when appropriate. If you don't see a prompt, navigate to Profile Settings to check security options. Doing these first steps reduces interruptions later and lets Instagram link your biometric prompt to login and sensitive actions. Next, go to your profile, tap Settings, then Security to find biometric options. This is where Instagram controls Face ID use. Tap the Face ID or use Biometrics toggle and follow the camera prompts. Position your face and allow the brief scan. You're authorizing Instagram to use the system-level Face ID, not sharing face data with the app directly, which preserves privacy. Once the camera confirms your face, Instagram will advertise Face ID for quicker logins and for approving sensitive actions. To finish, lock the app or sign out and then reopen Instagram to test Face ID login. You should see the biometric prompt immediately. If it fails, make sure Instagram has permission to use Face ID in your device settings and that screen brightness and camera access are adequate. If problems persist, restart your device and, if needed, reinstall Instagram. That often clears permission glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: verify system Face ID still works in other apps to isolate whether the issue is app-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.